Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are in the garage. We're working on the bike once again. We're adding something to go with the cam upgrade. It was going to be part of the cam video, but it took forever to get here. Plus, I can make its own video, so yeah. That's the bike still taken apart because we're putting a rear tire. The tire is supposed to be in here today, but it's going to be tomorrow. So we can go ahead and install the part we need while it's still down. Alright, and what we are installing today is the DynoJet PowerVision 2, or people call the OG PowerVision. It is from fuelmoto.com. Whenever you order these, whenever you order them, you give them a list of all your upgrades and they give you a preloaded map. So this thing already has a map on it, which it does have an awesome auto-tune feature as well. So I will do a little unboxing here for you guys and show you what we got. Alright, I will say I already opened it just to see what was in there and all that good stuff. Quick start guide, warranty card, some other instructions, and the PowerVision itself. Nice little touchscreen unit. So you can get a mount for it to mount it to the handlebars, which we are going to do. So yeah, and then you just got some cables, the mounting screws, and the USB cable. So yeah. We're going to take the tank off so we can run the cable from the side panel up underneath the tank to the handlebars. This is the mount we got. You can get one from FuelMoto, but I found this little guy on Amazon. So it's like 12-13 bucks and it works great. So we're gonna mount it there. I got some nylon or rubber zip ties, kind of like tie straps to run it down the bars and underneath the tank. So I'm not gonna film taking the tank off because if anybody owns a Harley Davidson and they've worked on it, they know how to take the tank off. So yeah, I'll do that and we'll run the cable and I'll come back and show you. Alright, we have made progress. Alright, so that is the unit all mounted up. It's not aimed properly because I gotta be able to sit on the bike, kind of see where I need it, but that's about where it's gonna be. I can still put my phone. My phone goes there. I can still put my phone. It goes there, and I'll be able to see that. So I know it looks like a lot. It's busy with the cup holder and that, but I mean, I might find a different spot for that eventually. But we got the cable run down behind there. It runs in the wiring protector thing there. Runs down and plugs into the side cover. Alright, if you get the little mount that comes from Amazon, it comes with screws, but I would use the screws that came with the PowerVision, just so that they're the same length, same thread and everything. So we got the little backing plate from the mount from the bike. We're gonna set it right there. Put a little bit of Loctite in the holes, which I imagine you don't really need it, but why not? Pardon the mess. What we'll do is just use a little bit of blue Loctite, just to. There's so much vibration on the handlebars.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so we got the backing plate all mounted up with the 4 screws, with just a dab of Loctite, nothing serious. You do not want to over tighten these things. So we will mount it to the bike. Alright, now that we have it all mounted up and everything, I'll do the first turn it on with you, because I haven't turned it on yet. We're not going to do the tune or anything until I get the slip-ons back on so I can actually crank it. And I think I have to drive it. It's like 20 degrees today and it's not the optimal weather for that. So yeah, we're just going to turn it on and I'll show you a little bit of menu options as I learn them, because I haven't even turned it on yet. So we'll turn it on. Like I said, we're not going to flash it yet, but I will show you the tune that they preloaded on it. So bring in here. I guess you're just sitting on the bike on a tripod. Bring in a little closer. So you turn your bike on. Should power on. There it goes. Nice. Got your first little menu there. It just tells you not to use it while driving. There you go. There's your first menu there. You got your program vehicle, your data log, vehicle tools. Now, I'm telling you this because I have no idea what any of this does. So we're just doing it together. We got, let's try this. Program vehicle. There's your auto tune. There's a quick tune. There's status, live idle, which I imagine that's like a gauge. Okay, so load tune. Let's see. This is where whenever you ordered the tuner, this is where they'll put your pre-configured ones. We got to come back to this. And now once it reads your original tune, it's going to ask you if you want to marry it to this bike, which you kind of have to, because if you want it to do anything to the bike, you have to hit yes. So we'll hit yes. Now they're married. Da, da, da. All right, and there's all the tunes. Let's go back to custom tunes. I think this is where the one that they made for you is at. Yeah, see right there? Slot 1, 107 AC SS 475. This is the tune that they made for me when I ordered it. So if I need to download different ones, I have plenty of slots for that. So like I said, we're not going to do anything with that yet because I'm not ready to do that yet. So alright, and that was a little bit of the dyno. A little bit of the Dyno Jet Power Vision 2 that I got. We're gonna have to do some research and study up on that thing, how to work that, because I'm not exactly sure how all that works. But yeah, well, we got it all mounted up. Looks really good. Looks really busy. So looks really good. I think I like it. I got the tank off to run those things, and I think while I'm here, I'm gonna put some new spark plugs in it, because why not? You know, right here, there, and then 2 on the other side. We are going to have the tire put on hopefully tomorrow, if not Friday. It's no big hurry because it's in like the 20s and I can't really ride anyway. So get the new tire coming. We got a new Shinko 999 says it's instead of the 777, so hopefully it'll last longer. I'll show you. I did paint my exhaust. We got the gold exhaust now. I got gold levers. We got a buddy making gold decals, so we're gonna take all these decals off of the windshield and the bags, and the bags over there. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna come back here in a few days when I get the tire on and the exhaust on, and then we'll run the tune. We'll flash it, let it run, see how it sounds. Should sound 1,000 times better, and go from there. All right, everybody, today is the day. We're gonna flash this thing real quick. All right, so we're outside, so we don't have to wake up the whole house or the babies if they're sleeping. I'm gonna turn it on. Wait for it to power up and everything. Alright, hit accept. Program vehicle. Load tune. They have a list of pre-configured tunes on this one, but we're gonna go to custom tunes. Alright, and there is my tune from Fuel Moto. I'll select that. Select air-cooled SNS 475, which is a 2018, which I don't know if that matters, but I'm just gonna hit continue, and you'll hit flash to flash the ECM. What it's doing is taking the old one off, putting this new one on, and it saves a copy of your old tune. So don't get in a tizzy if you have to take it off and go back to stock. This will probably take a few minutes. If you want to reset, learn, trim fuel values, yes. Since you're starting over new. Loading the tune. Alright, now it says turn your bike off and wait 10 seconds. Alright, I waited at least 15 seconds just to be safe. Alright, let me hit accept. Alright, and here we go. First start. And what is up, everybody? As you can see, it runs a heck of a lot better with that tuner and everything put back together like it should. Now I will be running the auto tune feature on it. You have to actually turn it on, drive it, and it records how it needs to run. Does that make sense? And then you install that tune on it. So I'm gonna have a couple different tunes on there as I go to kind of get it dialed in where I want it to be. But for now, I need it to warm up a little bit so I can do that. It's been, I don't know, 20 degrees here, so I ain't riding it no time soon. So yeah, you guys, appreciate you watching. If you guys go down there, hit that like and subscribe for us. Leave us a little comment if you have any questions down there. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.